We have a goofball and a Hellcat winning a race. Same goofball that I raced before back when this truck was stock. He hit me up in my DM. Originally wanted to race Hank, but Hank's a no-go tonight. You know, he's not ready to go. So I hit him back and I was like, yo, I'm gonna be out in the truck. I sent him the location and supposedly we're gonna see him here tonight.
Oh my God, look at him.
Where the race is at, yo?
What's good, bro?
What's up, man?
How you doing, man?
Good, man. I'm ready for some runs.
Yeah, I got the truck out again. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Bring it back.
Yeah, I'm ready. Dom Doherty is crazy.
That's Dom.
Dom who?
You already know who it is.
No, who did you say?
Doherty.
Oh my God.
Dom Doherty.
You know, if they didn't do it, then who else was gonna do it? You know?
Seriously.
We were gonna be sitting here talking all this goddamn night.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Brake boost canceled me out.
Man, dude.
My brake boost canceled me out.
Hey guys, I'm in New York City just hanging out.
That's how you start off a night.
That's a good jolly old fucking start if I've ever seen one, buddy. You know, we just sit in the right lane and we wait, you know? Oh my God, dude, they are running cops. Oh my God. That's why he had his lights on. Wow.
That sounds good, dude. Dude, he almost fucking went into the back of that Corvette. He's fucking wild.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
He was trying to keep up with me.
He was coming back.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah, we can bump at the map 3. We want to get trailer home.
Yeah. That's always an option.
The transit's holding everything. I'm fucking. I'm just literally
straight. Just.
Dude. Quality runs with some quality people.
Yeah.
Some quality time.
Absolutely.
Let me see something. Let me see something.
I can't, bro. There's a cop right behind you.
Bro, nobody's gonna do nothing.
Yeah, bro, look at the cop right there, bro.
Bro,
He's gonna get my tag and I'm gonna get arrested.
Over there,
Can I park with y'all?
Sure.
Sweet.
You know your old turbos in this car?
Red turbo.
Oh, my 6870?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I missed that turbo. Man, we don't care about that right now.
Why the fuck would they?
I don't know. We gotta chill out. I can't hear him. 1, 2, 3. You know, out of all these runs, I've yet to see that darn red Hellcat.
He's cute. Want to give some rust?
Yeah, that's why I'm out here.
I got that yellow C706. Yellow 60?
Yeah. But I don't want to go too fast. Like,
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
It starts to feel like a little...
They just cut it at like 110, 130.
Yeah.
Stay away from that motherfucker. Get him away from us.
Yep.
Oh my god. Why are you putting right now, man? Alright, but you're gonna keep it on gate, right?
Yeah.
Bro, he didn't come out.
Nah, he's probably home gooning.
Hey, you were freaks. Yeah, I'm down to like a 40.
Yeah. Whenever we go, we'll go.
Alright.
How's that trance feeling?
Feeling good.
It's awesome.
It's never felt better.
Oh! Motherfucker ran over a glass bottle and shooting fucking glass at us doing donuts.
That's why we backed up.
Yeah, that's why we backed up.
How's it going?
Yeah, you getting some runs in tonight?
I'm looking for him right now.
I'm coming to spectate if you get one.
All right.
You best believe it.
Well, there's a kid with a Hellcat talking shit, so I'm trying to...
With the 350?
No, he has a red Hellcat.
Oh, so you're gonna shop?
Yeah, I'm trying to look for him. What's up, dude?
It's been a super long time.
What happened?
I said it's been a super long time.
Yeah. Had to pop out. Looking for any fun runs? Is it new, like you built?
I just got out of the garage like...
Congrats, dude. We can both go to Wastegate and just have some fun.
When I was on the street, guys, like
50, I don't care. I don't care what roll. We can go now. I've been waiting all night. Fuck yeah. Well, fully built RS3. This RS3 is definitely gonna do it to us, bud.
Yeah.
You know, we don't back down.
There's 2 cops right here, so just wait. There's one over there and one called in on that side.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, I've seen his videos before.
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen that truck before.
Just turn his lights off. He's gonna sit in the body.
Oh yeah,
he just pulled in the.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
We're gonna have to either wait or go somewhere else.
What do you think?
God damn!
Oh my god, dude! Holy fucking shit!
Look at the V-locks, look at the
What are
V-locks.
they sparking? What are they sparking?
It's their brakes, I think. On your home!
That was a good ass.
Yeah, no, that bitch was moving.
Yeah.
You know, you wanna know what else is moving? These shirts flying off these shelves. New TBR merch is going crazy. So if you guys wanna pick yourself up a shirt right now, on over to tracybuilt.com. You finally decided to show up, dude. 2 hours later. You ready for this?
Yeah, let's run it. I mean, this is gonna be kind of funny now.
You know, 3 people in for the main race of the night. Yo, whatever happened to the white one? Is that just wrapped?
No, I sold it.
Oh. Well, what's done to that? Yeah, what's done to it?
Who's running it? This is fun. Let's go.
Sport mode it up. Map to it. We're going home with a W tonight. 50. 50. Ready? I can't hear. Yo, I'll count. 1, 2. Oh yeah, baby. What the fuck you want to race for? Why was he in my DM?
Hunter got him. Hunter's creeping. Hunter got him. What?
Yup. Ain't none of these twin turbos can't handle. Oh my god. I've been waiting on this. 60. Fuck you. 50. Fucking
Oh my god,
truck's
dude.
still running.
Yeah.
We didn't blow shit up yet.
Oh man.